In this video we're going to look at the basic stored XSS lab. So I'll start by launching the lab and we'll try an initial payload. Okay, so we can't immediately see that our payload has been reflected. In fact, it's telling us that it's been saved and we need to return to the home page to view it. Okay, and now we can see our payload, and the italics is taking visual effect, and if we look at the source we can see that our tag has been reflected without sanitization. Now this is a little bit different to reflected XSS, because for reflective XSS we always need to get the victim to click a link. This is different for stored XSS. If they just navigate to the site just as they normally would, the attack has been stored within the site's database. So stored XSS in many cases is more serious than reflective XSS. Okay, so we've injected an italics tag. Let's try injecting a script tag. Okay, and let's view the home page, and there we can see that our payload is executed. So let's grab the URL, submit it to the headless browser, and that's confirmed that we've solved the lab. Now there's an important detail under the hood that we need to be aware of. Every time we press launch lab we get a new URL. So you see this one we've just generated, v5sl . It's different to this one, which is q3iu and so on. So let's just to be clear about this, let's put Alice in here, and let's put Bob in here, and these two URLs we can refresh them. You know, the state is stable. So each one of these is what I call a lab instance. So they both point to the same underlying lab, the basic stored XSS lab, but they're two separate instances and they hold their state separately. So this is how different users are kept separate in terms of stored XSS, because when you launch the lab, and we've got a new instance now, and that is your own private instance to work on. You can, if you choose, share the URL with someone else, but if you don't, unless someone guesses this random value, this is going to stay private to you.